Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you that how to use Sherlock, how to hunt down social media accounts. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos. So let's get started. So we come to GitHub website and search for Sherlock. This is the Sherlock page. Hunt down social media accounts by username across social networks. So if we scroll down in here, we see the installation part. So let's copy this command and open terminal. Let me zoom in for clear CD desktop and let's paste this. So as we see, the installation is completed. Let's change the directory to Sherlock. ls, we see Sherlock is installed. So the next step, we need to install the requirements. So let's copy this command and paste in here. Just press enter. This will install all the requirements. So wait a minute and take a breath. We see that the installation has been completed. So how does it work? If we ls, we see this the Sherlock. So we write Python 3 Sherlock and now we enter the username of the person. We enter the username or the name of the person. For example, Sick Bros. So let's press enter. Wait a minute and it will check all the social media accounts by the name of Sick Bros. So this command takes a lot of time. So for doing this fast, let's close this application. Write Python 3 Sherlock followed by --timeout and set the timeout to, for example, 10 seconds and then enter the name. This command increase the speed. This will work fast. This starts searching through all social media accounts and looking for this username. We see it could find social accounts with this name. This is the YouTube channel, this Twitter, Instagram, Spotify, Instagram, Telegram. So let's check the YouTube link and it's also my Telegram. You can check it out and join with us. We see it could find our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more new videos.